Hey everyone, in this short video I want to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow, and I really appreciate all your support. To begin with, let's open up your Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Now tap on the profile picture at the top left of the screen. Then tap on dark mode. Here you have three options: on, off, or system. If system is selected, Messenger will automatically adjust your appearance based on your system settings. Now tap on to switch dark mode on permanently. If you have enabled dark mode within your iPhone settings, then select systems. And there you go, that is how to enable dark mode on your Facebook Messenger app. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.